Hi, we are making this video today to demonstrate how we properly live transfer a phone call, which is actually done using the conference function on Five9 here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a call to Mr. Sean Harrington here. Oh, I'll restart my station here. 1 second.
Hello, this is Mr. Harrington.
Ah, Mr. Harrington. You sound just like him.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to do a conference call real quick. So we're just going to hit this conference button here. We've got Christian's number in here still. We're just going to put the destination number here. We're going to hit initiate conference. It's going to put Sean on hold, and it's going to dial the person we're transferring the call to. How you doing? All right.
And you?
Man, good. I got a hot one here. I got Sean Harrington. He's looking for 0% on 10 million. Hold on 1 second. We're going to hit add participant. It's going to bring everybody together. 1 second. So now we've got everybody on the telephone call here. I'm going to let you guys talk about that free $10 million loan. So I'm just going to do leave conference so I can go get another call. Yep. And no points. No points. I'm going to do send to Sean Harrington, and that's going to be it. You guys have a nice day. I'll send you this video. Adios. Bam, and that's it. We're on to the next call. And the loan officer and the potential client are talking. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.